Oh, keep going. No,
No,
Lotus!
no, no,
Oh,
no.
man! Oh,
Bear spray, get the bear spray, get the bear spray!
Spray back, ye demon! There's two of them?
We need to endure life's hardships and achieve absolute power. The technique that we will study in this lesson is the body scan meditation. By noticing the state of our body and focus.
Not gonna lie, I could use that can. I'm pretty hurt. Definitely use that can. I'm almost dead.
I definitely did not drive into
Don't
this.
you?
Wait. Is this... Are we in the right place?
Yeah, same place we were earlier.
Okay.
Lemon, if you're talking, no one can hear you.
Gotta hit V.
Lemon having that issue we were having?
I mean, I'm not having that issue no more.
That's what I'm asking. Is Lemon having the issue we were having?
I don't know. Hopefully not.
Okay, let's just talk. Yeah, I mean, okay, we'll just talk in
Can you hear me now?
Discord.
Yes,
Oh,
yes we
yeah,
can. Yeah. So,
yeah, now we can hear you.
is everybody in the RV?
I can. Let's go.
Where's Lemon?
Get in.
Lemon's not in the RV.
Sorry, I wanted to put it on toggle to talk.
That's fine.
And hold on, before you leave. Get the fuck out of the way. Also, you being mad at me for drinking that shit? Standard.
I'm almost dead. That's why I needed that heals broken bones.
Oh man, that's... Oh, I got hit by a bus. I got ran over.
Wait. Am I supposed to go this
I'm
way?
knocked down. I wasn't on the bus.
I don't know if I'm
You're supposed to
go
go down. You're supposed to go down.
Damn.
Down and through the cave.
Oh, that way.
Hold on. Hold on.
Wait!
Stop.
We're not in!
I can't get in.
Just jump.
Damn, here's cabinets are stocked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, all aboard, strap up. We finna go.
Might want to hold on for your life, though. You can't drive.
I am not that bad of a driver.
First moment he
Wait. Here we go. Change to third gear. Aw. I have yet to get into third gear unless I'm going downhill. Wait! Is this it?
Oh, did we?
Was this the last part? That's sick!
Ain't no way.
Ain't no way!
Yo, I made it! I did it! I made it! Yeah!
Hey!
Yay!
Whoa! Is that
Oh.
fire? What did we
I didn't
do?
do it.
What did we do?
I didn't do it. You remember the cigarette you lit at the campfire and tossed?
I
it?
just got here.
I
I just got here. Wrong way, wrong
What?
way, wrong way. Oh god, we're gonna die. Oh, no. Oh, no, we're fine.
So Black lit a cigarette and tossed it in the bushes. This might be the reason why.
Flashback.
How did you toss your cigarette?
3.
End of flashback.
Guys, the bridge is on fire.
Out of what's the?
Oh! Fire extinguishers! Fire extinguishers! Here, I'll pull up right here. Gentlemen.
I fell off.
What? No! No!
White foamy jizz.
How do we? Ooh. You're gonna have to like. Oh.
What?
Oh.
How?
I'm not gonna like this.
How am I supposed to... You know what? I'll figure it out.
I have an out. Shit. I'm good, I'm
Lotus.
good. I figured it out. I figured.
Ah. Perfect.
Yeah, okay, the forest is already on fire, so one cigarette's not gonna hurt it.
You are impeding on my vision. How limited it already is. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody in here? I should have checked before I drove.
No.
Can you make it over here, Lotus?
Yeah.
I can't see! Lemon! I can't see! Lemon! Huh. No! Lemon! Why? I don't know where I'm going.
Go a little bit to the left. Little bit to the left. Not too much, like maybe an inch. Okay, go straight.
Oh, okay, I can see now.
Okay, go straight. Okay, cool.
Ah. Do I have to turn? Oh, no. No. I gotta go on these boards. Alright, you know what? We're swinging it. Swanging it. Yeah. Pick ourselves up out the mud. Hey, Route 65. 6 miles. Oh, 6 miles until we get to here. It was 9 miles a couple checkpoints back. We've really come a long way. Do we need to fix this up? I don't think so. Do you think there's any oil in there?
Might be some food.
Might be some oil or something. Here, let me park.
Oh, we have plenty of food.
Yeah, we just need some oil. Oil is important. Nope, don't need those. Nuggets can.
I need that.
Oh, wait. Drop. Where are you?
Don't. Okay.
I'm right here. Feed it to me.
I'm glad you said something. I was starting to eat it already. Hey, wait. Lemon.
It heals.
Lemon.
It heals broken bones.
Oh, that hurt. That hurt.
Now we need the lotion.
Oh. No. Everyone in? Yeah. Off I go. No. Well, gentlemen. Am I missing something? Gentlemen. If you're talking, I cannot hear you.
I'm in. Waiting on Lemon.
Oh, well.
Wait for Lemon.
He's jumping in the front of the vehicle.
Lemon, I have a beer for you if you get in. Oh.
Bear! Bear! Lemon, go! Bear! I don't know where Lemon is.
I think you just killed Lemon.
Did I? I don't think so.
I think you just killed him.
No, he's right there. But I'm stuck.
Oh, he has a good point. He has a point. I need to get to the roof. Shit, there's no way for me to get to the roof. How'd you get to the roof from up here? There's oh, yeah, toss me. Okay. Oh. Fine.
Lemon had a good idea. But,
Alright, I'm grabbing the controller. Ready?
yep. Okay, alright. Oh.
Now you're gonna have to attach it again, Lemon, to another one. And if you're talking, Lemon, we cannot hear you.
God damn it.
There we go, now we hear you.
Yeah!
Quit.
Oh shit.
Quit.
There you go. Sorry.
Help us get up out
God
the
damn it.
mud. Oh, wow, here we go. Oh! Keep pulling?
There's no wheel.
Uh,
There's no fucking wheel.
hold on, we got this. Oh, no! Oh, we got this! No! No! Fix the RV! Fix the RV! No! No! Fix the RV!
We fell! There's no way for us to get back up!
No, there is!
Fuck!
Huh?
Fuck!
What?
Alright. I'm grabbing a wheel,
Fix up the
Lemon,
car.
you grab the other wheel. There has to be a way back up. There has to be a way up. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. I'm physically stuck down here.
Y'all can throw each other up. Let's see.
Let me try to grab you.
Fix this wheels. Oh, I gotta keep going.
Grab that. Alright. Fuck. There has to be a way back around. There has to be. Ain't no way there's not.
Just gotta close the door. Oh, of course it's the back tire.
Oh, shit. Black! We
Ah.
got this! We're trying to figure... Wait, what?
Can't do that.
Lemon, you fucking genius.
Hey, look at me. Figured the things out. I'm a fucking genius. Now, how do I heal myself?
Broken bones, nugget cans.
Do we have a winch?
I have a few broken bones.
Do we have a
We need
winch?
nugget can.
Do we have a winch?
We do. It's on the roof.
Okay. Huh? Where?
We don't even
Oh, there it
need
is.
That.
We don't?
We don't even need that.
We don't? Oh.
No, I just connected to a tree.
Oh, yeah. Get us up out the mud.
The remote. You have to. Oh, you have to use the remote that's in there.
I'm missing it.
Oh.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh no, I fell again.
Get us
I'm
up
gonna die.
out the mud. Get us up
I
out
died.
the...
No,
I died.
no. Oh,
I died.
I'm
I
coming,
died.
Lemon. I'm gonna
dead.
try. I'm dead.
How are you both dead? Oh,
I'm
God.
at the checkpoint.
Guys, I can't pull anymore. There it is. Oh, wait. Whoa! Oh, no! Spider V. Where's that?
Yep.
Hold on, let me get this fucking board up here. I can't believe you guys didn't know that's where the boards went.
No!
We just started yesterday.
Where's this cabin at? Down there?
Yeah, it's over this way.
Lead the way. Oh, is it with all them Oh.
Not doing that one.
Ow. Ow!
Yeah, I took some fucking fall damage.
I didn't think that was gonna hurt so bad. Oh. Where's this cabin?
On the other side of this.
You ready?
Hold on.
Oh,
What am I doing?
I was gonna. I was,
No.
don't throw you over?
No, hold on. I mean... Fucking yeet me. Let's go, come on.
Huh?
Yeet me.
Hiya!
Yeah.
Open the door. There's a button.
There's a button?
Yes.
How do you know?
He's clicking it.
Oh,
Hold the door. Hold the door.
Oh!
Oh, guys, there's nothing in.
What?
Yeah, it was a waste of time.
What about
There's
down
another
there?
cabin.
This was a safer
Dirt.
route. I'm also, like, almost dead.
Oh, welcome to my world. This has been me the entire game.
It really has. Just gonna get back to the Albany. We should all eat a burger when we get back.
Yeah.
Smoke the cigarettes to go faster. Let's go.
Is that how that works?
Yeah,
Yeah.
beer makes you stronger. Ah! Hey, Lemon. You want to contribute to the forest fire? All right, let's try this again.
Do we have the burgers?
We do have burgers. You want me to start? You want me to start them up?
Probably.
Wait. I tried to grab him. He ran in front of me. Oh, there's... Oh. It's like popcorn. Nom 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 nom. I'm healed. Gentlemen, shall we? right. Are we ready?
Oh, hold on. Hold on. I don't know if this is even gonna work. I don't know if that's far enough away. I don't know if the plank's gonna fucking fit.
Don't look
That
like
plank
it.
is not long enough.
It's okay. I just have to. I know what I need to do. No, 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 no. That's not good. Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back. I had to be on the left side. I think that someone just has to tell me when my wheels are lined up.
Wait, let me in. Let me grab a controller real quick. You have to grab me real quick, Black. There's no way I can get into that where you're at. Fuck. Here we go. Okay, let me get onto the roof. Just in case. Alright, we good.
Okay. Are my wheels aligned?
Yeah, take it slow. Take it slow. Take it
No,
slow.
we're
Oh my
good.
God.
We're good. We're good. Can you get the winch?
Okay, stop.
Alright.
I died.
No!
Is he still holding on to it?
Are you still holding on to the
No.
winch?
No.
Here, let me park it across the bridge, and then we'll go get you.
Yeah, alright. Take your time. I'll smoke a cigarette.
Are you getting him, Lotus? Because you threw the
Trying to
remote
figure
on the
out how
ground.
we'd- Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where he's at because I'm really low health too. Okay, I know what we did. We went all the way around.
There's grass.
I'm gonna put this remote away so we don't lose it. There's a second remote. Okay.
Okay, we're trying to find Lemon. I don't know where he died at, but we'll try to find him.
Okay, let's see. That looks like a safe place to kind of... I'm looking for you.
Lemon, where you at?
All right, Lemon, where you at?
If he's over there, there's no way we're getting him because there's no way back up.
Lemon, where you at? Lemon.
I think he might have died.
What?
I don't know.
He's not talking. Well, it should still show us his name if he died. Oh, did he fall all the way down?
Wait, I have an idea.
What?
You stay there.
What am I staying here for? What am I doing?
I'm reviving him. I'm going back to the garage.
Oh, the... Okay.
Yep. Just go back to the RV.
You're
Wait.
not coming to save me?
Where are you?
We're reviving you.
Where are you?
I just see grass. I fell off the bridge straight down.
I'm reviving you.
Apparently you're supposed to die, but, now I gotta figure out how to get up. Wait.
Dude, if you'd have pulled the winch, I probably would have survived.
I was pulling the wrench. I was the fucked up way. I was
It's a
pulling the
winch.
bro. Get back up. I don't know where he's at. Black, where you at?
I'm going back to the RV.
Okay, we're at the RV.
I
Come in,
had
don't
to
you
climb
fucking
back
you
up.
come back. Lemon?
see me do a flip. Put
Not risking it.
unhand me.
Not risking you dying.
Oh.
Put me down.
Just gonna.
Nope. Get in the RV.
Well,
Lemon, don't, because there's no more revives. If you die, you're dead. He's not even in the RV.
That's okay. I don't mind going in on foot.
there we go. Now y'all can actually get in.
Yeah, we're good. We're good to get in the RV now, Lemon.
Do I need to go further?
Yes.
Go.
These little... Okay.
Your stubby little legs. Where's Lemon? Is Lemon staying outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Think. Hold on. Let's just find out. We'll just keep going. Just...
Where am I going? Down.
Oh no.
To the left.
To the left. To the left. To the... Oh. Oh my. You think we're gonna find more
Hold on.
moose?
Maybe. Oh hey, since Lemon's on here, I'm gonna take his pack of cigarettes.
You don't touch my cigarettes.
Too late. You're not in the RV. You can't stop me.
Fellas?
All right. Let's evaluate the situation. Let's evaluate the situation.
Oh. Do I just drop down? Yep, it's just going down.
Yeah, no, the bridge is safe. Stop moving.
How much trouble are we in?
We're good.
Well, a lot. Burning down a forest.
They don't
And I
know it
just
was
got
us.
here. I didn't do it.
Hey, Black. We'll just blame everything on Lemon.
That's fine.
In the hole.
Don't put me in a hole.
In the hole.
Oh hey.
I'm in the hole.
There. Oh, wait. Oh, turning. We turning. We going good. We going good. We going good. Going good. So, the next time we get into a cave, is it just going to be worse?
I don't know.
It's so smoky. Oh god, is that another cave?
Sure, if we're heading out.
Oh no. Fellas? What did I hit?
Ow!
Let me see, we need some oil. Gentlemen. Let me see. Yeah. Lemon?
Gentlemen. Welcome to my cave of doom.
Kronk, what on earth are you doing? I told you to go get the poison.
Lotus.
Yeah, I don't know. Cave looks okay. Cave looks okay. Just drive.
This game was not meant to be okay. It was supposed to be an infinite loop, so Kuko wouldn't understand what was going on when I become Empress.
Guys, wait for me, 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 wait for me. Oh my god.
You're actually trying to get in the RV this time.
No, I'm gonna get on it, but it gets so dark.
Got it. Look, scared of the dark cave.
So, where are you?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. It does get super. Oh. Oh. Oh, we have
I
headlights.
told you.
Just gonna.
Yeah, I just want to be on the bus. I just want the light. It's so dark.
It didn't look that dark when we were driving up.
Yeah. Hey, look!
Oh, hey,
Look!
garage.
Let's go ahead and fix this frame real quick. Oh, well. That's why we're here.
Oh, that's fucking horrific.
What?
Oh, there's a military hat.
Is there any more oil? We don't need it just yet. Because the engine's not terrible. Found us some
We have
lotion.
oil in the truck.
Cool. Lotion.
Hey, anyone want a military hat?
I think I'm okay.
Military hat right here.
Oh, wait, let me look at it. Let me look at it. I just want to be able to claim it. Where'd you put it? Oh.
Still. Okay. Oh. Alright.
Ooh. Give me some nuggets. Drink me some nuggets. Okay, I think it's time to get back in the truck.
Okay. Follow Lotus. Do not go that way. Just follow.
I have
Lotus.
a flare now. I'm not scared.
Yeah, don't go that way.
Why?
Wait.
That way, no safe. That way, death.
Wait, you went down?
No. The way where the light is, death.
This way?
Yeah, death for the review.
Oh, there's lava.
Yeah, nah, we're good. Alright, Black, come on. Follow me.
Why?
Just because take you to the safe path.
How's the other path not safe?
Lava.
Oh. Oh
Guys,
my.
guys,
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
How you
Somebody come pick
stuck?
me up.
Where you at? Where you stuck at?
Look for the flare.
Oh my.
Oh, I see you. Eh.
Jump
I
for
have
me.
an idea.
Yes, Daddy.
Lemon, can you grab this?
Lemon, jump for me.
Hey, Black, get the wrench. Get the
Yeah.
controller. Get the controller. We're just gonna pull
Oh,
him.
jump. Let me see if I can. Hold on, one more time. No, go back up a little bit. Gotcha.
Yay! I'm free! Where'd my flare go?
I need my flare back.
That's my flare.
Down
my
there
flare.
still? Where'd my flare go?
I threw my flare straight up. It landed over here.
Oh, this shit. Well, then I lost my flare. Oh, there. No. Oh, what the. F
Flare time.
Okay.
Straight?
Well, we're about to find out. Don't go straight yet, because that might not be it.
Ow!
Well.
Ow!
Well.
Yeah, go straight. You're good.
Fucking ow! If you see smoke, stay away from it. It's TNT.
Oh, there's a lot of boards over here, fellas. Guys, there's a bear!
Lemon, run.
Wait, where are you guys?
Black, keep going.
Guys, no!
I'm dead.
Oh god, oh god,
Dead.
oh god. No. Gotta keep going. I gotta go.
Okay.
I'm being chased by a bear.
Someone needs to spray the bear and then
Being
drop
chased
me
by the bear.
rush.
Being chased by a bear.
I can't get back up. There's no way for me to get back up.
Okay.
I've tried.
Am I safe from the bear?
Oh, wait. Oh. We're good.
The bear's gone.
Oh.
As fast as it came, it left.
Lotus, I found you a new flare.
I got a flare.
Found us some EpiPens. Some more oil.
No new hat?
New hat.
I said no new hat? That's
Not-
wild.
not that I saw.
I'm gonna cook burgers.
Oh, I know what the boards are for.
Huh. Oh no.
Oh wait, no, we're good.
Sweet. Did we get all the scrap from back there? Ooh, let me get one of them burgers. No, actually, I don't need a burger.
I need to eat. I'm fucking hurt.
Oh. Pain.
Hey. Oh, should repair the RV too.
What do you think I've been doing?
Dicking off.
Alright, there's that. Wow. Out of all the people. Wow.
What is that?
Oh, it's a
Hey,
jack.
guys.
We don't need it. It's a jack. We don't need it. We have one on the roof.
Right, but I mean like jump puzzle?
No, because if you die, there's no reviving you. We have to be at a garage. Not worth it. Not worth it. We're already about to struggle enough because we gotta go deeper.
Yeah!
That's what she said.
Oh my fucking god, Lemon. Lemon, don't do it. It's not worth it. Lemon, it's not worth it. Alright, Lemon, we're gonna try to meet you down there.
There is no down here. This is it.
The RV can go down.
Dude, there's nowhere to go. But there's nowhere to go. This is it. I need that winch.
Oh yeah, black, back up. We're gonna need the winch to get him out.
Back up?
Yeah, back up. We gotta go back to the building.
You gotta guide me, dude.
You're good. Just turn around. Like, that's all I need you to do is turn around. You're good. Alright, now turn. Back up a little bit.
Where are you, Lemon?
Alright,
Down.
park the RV right here. Park the RV right here. Right here will be good. Grab the remote.
I went down.
Lemon,
There
what
was
did you
so
do?
much scrap.
What did you do?
There was so much scrap.
Where are you?
Um,
Down.
Oh. Oh.
Black, you gotta bring the RV a little bit down.
Sir. You said park it right there.
A little bit closer to the hole.
Phrasing?
You don't want just a
Right
tip?
now, I'm... Because right now, I'm playing Spider-Man.
You don't want just the tip?
Phrasing.
Preferably not. Okay. Lemon, grab me.
Hey, phrasing.
Yes.
Oh, more than
Alright,
the
Black,
tip.
pull us.
More than just a tug?
Pull the wrench.
I
Pull
don't
the
have.
wrench up.
I don't have a wrench.
Get the controller. Get the controller and pull us up.
I don't have a wrench.
Black, pull us up. For the love of God.
I don't have a wrench. Oh God!
Oh,
You just killed
I
Lemon.
died.
How?
Because you're swinging.
I'm swinging. I'm pulling. I'm doing the button.
Okay. Don't pull it down. Don't pull it down anymore. Oh, fuck.
You said don't pull it anymore? What?
Just go back up to the go all the way back.
Hold on. It's stuck. It's in the wood. Please don't pull the... Okay, let's just, here we go. And then... There we go.
What a fucking rescue mission, huh?
Alright, grab it. Alright, we're good.
Oh my gosh.
Pull us up. Pull us up.
Wow. What do you think I'm doing?
Winch us. God, you act like we fucking weigh a ton.
You do.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Y'all think this is fast? Well. Why are y'all boing? Oh God.
Okay.
Put me down.
Okay. Wait.
I want to be lifted.
Wow. This is as fast as it goes, dude.
Okay.
Lemon, let go.
One eternity later.
I'll be alright. We'll be alright. Actually, can coffee do anything for you?
Coffee makes you faster.
Is he up here or no? He is.
I'm just turning around.
What?
No!
No, we need that up.
Well, shit, nobody told me that.
Oh, man.
Alright, you should still be good. You still should be good.
Huh.
I feel like I got
Not-
crushed.
I
Dead
mean,
again? What he picked up?
Huh.
Yeah, like me.
Sir, you're making. I can't get out the car.
Lotus needs to come down here.
Oh, I can just jump out the roof. Sir, I'm gonna really need some assistance
Ooh,
on this one.
I got an
Lotus,
idea.
toss me
use
in.
the controller,
Lotus, toss me in the roof.
use... I got you. Colby!
Thank you.
Lotus, toss me up by the roof.
Don't do it.
I want to get it to the other side.
Don't do it.
Hole in one.
Okay, we need to. Oh God!
Whoa.
Oh no! Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. We got this. We got this. We got this. Okay.
That was my way in.
Okay. All right. Where's the flip-o-matic?
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh,
And he picked up
man.
again, Lotus. I'm behind you. You flipped
This
it
is
as I was on
crazy.
it. And it fucking threw me into the air.
Okay. Lemon is banned from touching buttons.
Can someone get the tires?
Why does somebody keep fucking hitting me with their goddamn hammer?
I'm fixing up this vehicle that someone messed up.
That wasn't, dude. You're the one driving. That's on you. That's your fault.
My bridge that I was currently on had a hole in it because someone jumped on it.
Yeah, who did that?
Yeah, I wonder who.
That guy's an idiot.
All right. All that's left is the frame.
Onwards.
Oh,
Where did Lemon go?
hold on. Oh.
Oh. Shit. Lemon?
Did he fall?
Lemon died.
He's down there. He's not dead. He's
Okay.
just not talking.
Okay.
Sorry.
Can we put the winch over there?
Oh shit. We gotta find boards.
Lotus, is there a place for
Hold
the
on.
winch?
No, but we're gonna need to find boards.
Find boards.
Yeah, there's a gap. Big
We
gap.
have boards. Oh,
Oh,
what?
yeah, we
What?
do have boards.
No. Lotus, go where Lemon is. He found buttons, and they both make the path.
Well, I don't know that. That's not like for sure. Cause I keep trying to hit him, but
And I watched the
Nothing
path
happened.
go up. You guys create my path. You both just need to stand on those buttons. Yep, I see it. I see it. Are you both standing? Nope,
No,
y'all
I'm
aren't
not
standing.
Okay.
I need
oh,
them.
wait.
I need them there.
No, you don't.
Yes, I
It's the
do.
boxes.
Y'all need to stand on those.
We don't. There's
Yes.
boxes.
Are they pressed?
Yes,
Yeah.
they are pressed.
Thank you.
The
Yeah,
box,
yeah.
the boxes are supposed to hold them down in place.
Perfect. Oh, great. Can you lift the box real
Okay.
quick? Lift one of the boxes. Now put the other one, and then just put it back down. Put it back down. Ah, there we go.
yeah, that's why it's.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ah. Oh.
you sent it a little too hard there, bud.
Oh. You know, full send. Do y'all need help getting out?
No.
No.
Cool. Full send. Full send. Mmm. Huh.
He said, "Full send."
Use the
and then
controller. Black, use the controller and pull it back.
Full send.
Oh, I got flung out.
Whoa.
We up?
I mean, it worked.
Okay.
I'm dead.
Now,
What the?
oh. Alright, let me fix the tire and I'll go figure it
Okay.
out.
I'm dead.
How? What happened?
A snake
Oh no.
in a tunnel.
Which way am I supposed to go? Oh, I gotta
That's
see if I can
probably
back.
Black. Oh, I don't know where he's at. I'm gonna try to find him.
I went down the tunnel.
I'll try and fix this.
I feel like I'm averted.
I can't see shit. I don't have a fucking. Oh wait, there's flares.
Okay, so I'm supposed to go left
Where is?
and then right. Oh God!
Oh yeah, there might be dynamite.
No, 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 no! Please, please, please!
Black, I'm dead now.
I know what I messed up on here. I have to cross and then turn. Cross and immediately turn. Turn again. Am I gonna make that? You know what? Let's see. Let's just try it. Oh,
Oh.
I had that for you.
I'm dead.
Ow!
Oh. Fuck, lava.
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Ah! Ah!
You're never gonna find me. You'll never find me.
I messed up. How am I gonna get out? I fell.
With Lotus's help.
Oh, yay! Yeah, I found a ramp. I can get back up.
Where's the ramp at? Because now I fell down.
Over here. Come this way, come this way, come hither.
Oh.
Can you toss me up and then I'll pick
No,
you up?
dead.
No!
Dead.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Lemon.
Wow!
Find me?
Oh my gosh. Huh. There's Lemon. How am I gonna get out of here? Ooh, scrap. Ooh, burger pack. Scrap. Oh! Ow! Ow!
You're good.
I'll get us up pop out the. Oh no! Oh! 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 Oh!
Can one of you come grab me?
What
Yes.
happened now?
Where you at?
Over to your right.
Oh. I don't. Okay, I don't need that. Yep. Okay. Yep, I got you.
Thank you. I feel like we
No.
have to go through the
I feel-
tunnel.
I don't know if we could drive through that. I think we have to run through it.
No, you guys stay.
No, I
You
think
guys
one
stay.
person. You stay by it. Yeah. Neither of them. Bear spray! Bear spray! Bear spray! Get the bear spray! Ow! Get the spray! Get the spray! Get the spray!
Leave my car alone. Leave my RV alone. Get!
Get the spray!
Oh, get out of here! Get out of here!
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go back to what we were doing.
Guys, there's some scrap down
There's a
here.
tunnel down there.
I'm gonna leave that with the bear. The bear could have it. Oh my
That
god!
was the scariest thing.
Oh, all you guys,
Oh,
fellas.
I'm good. Nothing happened.
I want to see this cave too. Ooh. Never mind. I'm going back to the RV. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Buddy system. Buddy system, okay? I'm right behind you. Pete taught us well.
Yay!
yeah.
Pete taught us well.
Hold on.
Bathroom buddy system. Come on, Black.
Lemon keeps dropping it. Trying to destroy the RV.
I need to hold on before we go.
I need food.
I need to use this antidote.
I don't.
And
You do.
then-
Take it. Oh, Black,
We
keep
have-
coming. Checkpoint.
No,
Ooh.
don't. Oh, I mean, I guess if there's a check,
If there's a checkpoint,
then we're fine.
new checkpoint. Checkpoint 8. We don't need to fix the vehicle, so I'm not gonna go in there.
Oh, my face.